Hello, today I'm in Toyota Prius. In this video I'll show you steering wheel buttons functions. In the beginning, take a look at the left side of the steering wheel. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can change radio volume, radio source and radio station. Then we can activate voice assistant, answer and end calls. Right here we've got the panel, thanks to which we can change temperature in the car, navigate through instrument cluster, through trip info, and then we can enable and disable interior airflow circulation. Of course, if you press right here, you will use horn. On the bottom of the steering wheel, we've got the panel thanks to which we can activate cruise control. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.